it is mind-blowing because I make the parents stay if they're with kids for the kids' workshops because I want the parents to see what kind of learners their children are so that they can understand more about their kids. And the parents always come up at the end and say, wow, so-and-so has never engaged in this kind of activity before, this kind of social setting where there's so many kids in a room. Usually that's overwhelming, but they were just so into it. Or, usually we have trouble sharing and there's a lot of disruptive behavior, but it didn't happen. And I said, it's because I empowered them. I gave them permission to be them without this is the way this should be done.
Okay, so if I close my eye and I'm trying to work into your workshop, what do I see? What do I touch? What do I smell?
Depends what we're exploring. Last week, we were exploring forces. And so that's an abstract concept, yeah? A lot of forces you can't see. Gravity, you can't see magnetic force. But it's then using toys and materials and things that kids interact with to have the conversations around those topics. So we had marble runs, we made cars, and we had ramps. And so there's ramps on every table and they're building little cars out of cardboard and they're adjusting the height of the ramp and the cars are going faster and there's a little bit of squealing, a lot of excitement. They're all dressed in lab coats, really immersing in the experience and exploring their own way. One kid over there will be facing away from everybody else and doing it their own with a book, and there'll be 6 kids they put 2 or 3 ramps together and they're making it even bigger, but it's providing a space and an environment for everybody to interact the way they need to.
And kids just pick where they want to look at.
Yep. Once they're given the freedom, like at the start of any workshop, anything I do, this is a space for you to explore how you want to explore because your brain is different from mine and there's no point in me telling you how to explore it because you're you.
Welcome to Multiple Hats, a show about STEM professionals who have gone off script and carved their own path beyond the tracks that were set for them. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics, medicine, how they found their why and what it takes to make it happen.